Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And all three of the major indexes are higher today, with the Dow and S&P 500 hitting new intraday records as technology stocks gained. Traders are also taking positions overlooking concerns of a rather benign inflation report this morning, and that comes ahead of the Federal Reserve announcement later in the day, which it's widely expected that the Fed will announce a rise in interest rates by 25 basis points, but more significantly, we'll be listening to the comments that it may give its strongest hint yet on how they believe the Trump administration's tax overhaul could affect the U.S. economy. So it will definitely be something to tune into and watch this afternoon and see what effect it has on the markets after they make the announcement. With that, let's take a look at where the stocks stand this morning and give you some key levels to watch for the rest of the week. We'll start with the S&P 500, currently trading at 2,670.35, up about a little over 0.2% today with a chart analysis score plus 100. Key level to watch remains 2,578.24. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dow Jones currently trading 24,616.36 after hitting a all-time high of 24,619.44 shortly after the open this morning. Chart analysis score plus 100. Green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch remains 23,360.58. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. The Nasdaq, which has been coming under pressure as of late with the tech sector selling off and profit taking being the main priority from traders, it seems, as we come into the end of the year, is up today about 0.4% with a chart analysis score plus 100. Currently trading at 6,891.15. Key level to watch is 6,734.13. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index actually triggered a new green weekly trade triangle that we were waiting for at 93.75 yesterday, indicating a move to a long position for the US dollar with a chart analysis score plus 90. Coming under a little bit of pressure this morning, down about 0.3%, and that was just on the report that came out that inflation was a little bit lower than people were expecting, but I'm sure the dollar will rebound and continue its trend higher as interest rates are raised this afternoon by the Fed. Key level to watch will be 92.13. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Gold continuing to be under pressure. Currently trading at 1,250.80 after hitting a low of 1,238.30 yesterday. Still chart analysis score negative 90, indicating that overall the trend is down for gold. Key level to watch will be 1,253.40. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Crude oil currently trading at 56.99. Down 0.3% on the day after losing 1.3% yesterday. Chart analysis scores plus 55, indicating that overall the trend is weakening for crude oil. And our key level to watch for oil will be 56.85. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position for crude oil. And we'll back out of here and take a look at Bitcoin, which has been the star of December so far. Currently trading at 16,932.85 after hitting a high yesterday of over 17,700. Chart analysis scores remains plus 90. Overall long-term trend is still up for Bitcoin. Key level to watch is 7,750.62. Move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Of course, this week the CBOE opened up trading futures on Sunday, which volume was a little lighter than I think they were expecting for the futures on that exchange. But the big one to watch will be the CME, which opens trading this Sunday, and I think that's going to have a much bigger impact on the price of Bitcoin. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes. With that, every success, have a great trading day, and I'll be back to wrap up the end of the week.